Aceretech is a creative company focusing on the technology R&D of plastic recycling, providing the equipments and solutions for plastics recycling, washing, and pelletizing. Aceretech's plastic recycling technology mainly apply in the field of waste plastic size reduction, washing, and repelletizing. Thanks to the R&D ability and well-understanding industry's experience, Aceretech can provide the customized plastic recycling solutions to customers. Typical productions are high-capacity performance cutter compactor granulating line for film, rigid recycling, and pelletizing process. Single screw extrusion and pelletizing line for rigid waste plastics recycling, and the turnkey solution of shredding, crushing, washing, and drying system for waste and post-consumer plastics. Our advantages: 1. Leader of specialized R&D team, involved in plastics recycling industries more than 25 years. 2. Ability to provide the customized plastics recycling solutions. 3. Complete sales system covering the pre-sales, sales, and after-sales job. 4. Professional sales team with local language speaking ability for English, Spanish, Turkish, and Russian markets. 5. We work closely with advanced technology in Europe and Taiwan to continuously improve our design and production levels. Now we are recognized as one of the professional manufacturers of plastic recycling machinery by the market. No matter which kind of waste plastic you want to process, we have the most suitable recycling machine to meet your needs. Please do not hesitate to contact our service team if you need any further information. Our mission is easy recycling, valuable plastics.